Hello guys. Ngayong video magtuturo kami kung paano ang mag-proper ng shooting at dribble. Step 1, kunin ang bola. Let's go. Step 2, hawakan ng maigi at isight daw. Pakita mo pre. Tapon card. Goods. Shoot. Step 3, i-shoot. Yan. At yun na nga, dapat i-sight mo na lang ng mabuti. At i-shoot. Yes. Let's go. At ngayon naman, tuturuan namin kayo paano mag-dribble. Okay. Step 1, hawakan ng bola. Step 2, ipauntol. 1, 2. 1, 2. Kapasok. Step 2, back dribble pre, back dribble. 1, 2, 1, shoot. Let's go. Tapos tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-layup. Gawin na natin. Layup. Simple layup. 1, 2, 3, go. Gilly is, paano mag-gilly? Gilly is shoot. Go. At shooting naman tayo guys, 3 points. Let's go. Dapat ma-shoot pre. Suswaray. Ginad to. Ano pa?